installation of sinong gusto magpa-install dyan, modification ng ng Kluger head unit. Yan. Nakakabit tayo. Installation niya, modification. Maliit lang dati yan. So, dami yan. Pwede yung car, front camera. Yan yan, front camera. I just wanna be with love. I know what you said. Maraming function yan. Pag gusto mo magpakabit, yan, installation of head unit Kluger. Yan, may USB pa yan. Kailangan mo, dinis yan. I don't wanna see. Yan, ang laki niya ng head unit. Okay, thank you. Sa mga gusto magpa-install, yan, gusto lang yan, just contact me. Just comment on my YouTube channel. Thank you.